Do you constantly see that frustrating disconnected message in Outlook even when your internet is fine? Today, we're fixing the ghost in the machine that's making your Outlook lie to you. If you've ever felt stuck because Outlook insists it's offline, you're not alone. This quick guide will show you 2 simple fixes to get you back to sending emails fast. Here's the hook. Why does your Outlook keep lying to you about being disconnected when everything else is working? It's usually a simple setting or a saved password issue. The first step in fixing a problem is recognizing it. This is the visual proof, that dreaded disconnected status. We start with the problem state. You're staring at your screen, feeling frustrated, seeing that error message mock you. Now for the magic. We are going to use the cover the lens transition to move from broken to fixed. As you cover the camera lens with your hand, this signifies the instant change from problem to solution. And just like that, we've transitioned to the solution state. Notice the difference. We are connected. The screen now shows connected, and you can feel the relief. A simple thumbs up shows the problem is solved. Now let's dive into the 2 quick fixes that make this magic happen. First, check the work offline toggle. Sometimes it gets accidentally switched, making Outlook think it can't connect. Simply switch it back on. If the toggle isn't the issue, go to the Windows Credential Manager and remove any outdated or corrupted Outlook login details. Outlook will then prompt you for the correct credentials, solving the issue. That's it. These 2 simple steps are usually all it takes to banish that ghost in the machine and restore your connectivity. Remember, check the Work Offline toggle first. If that fails, clear your credentials in Credential Manager. Easy, right? No more lying Outlook. If this fix saved your day, hit subscribe for more simple tech solutions.